Phone addiction happens when someone uses their phone too much and it starts to affect their life. This can include spending too much time on social media, playing games, or just scrolling through the phone without a real purpose. As phones become a big part of our lives, it's easy to use them too much, which can be harmful to our health and daily activities. Some signs of phone addiction are feeling like you always need to check your phone even when you shouldn't, like during meals or while driving. You might feel nervous or upset if you don't have your phone with you. People with phone addiction also lose track of time when using their phones and may have physical problems like tired eyes, headaches, and trouble sleeping. To manage phone addiction, it's important to set limits. You can try to spend less time on your phone by planning activities that don't involve it. You can also use apps that help you track and control how much time you spend on your phone. Setting rules for when you can use your phone, like not using it before bed, can also help. Phone addiction is a problem that can harm your life, but by noticing the signs and making small changes, you can reduce your phone use and focus on other important things.